Hello everyone. My name is Sumit Suresh Achilya. Our today's topic is waterborne disease and preventions. So, water is a life-giving liquid, can also be a life-taking lethal fluid. Around 3.1% of death in the world are due to unhygienic and poor quality of water. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, estimates that 80% of disease depends on worldwide are waterborne. Alarmingly, groundwater in one third of India's 600 districts remain unfit for the drinking, with dangerous level of fluoride, iron salinated and arsenic. About 65 million people suffer from fluorescence and crippling. The Kipling disease caused by excessive fluorides, a condition company found in a Rajasthan state of religion. The state of Rajasthan religion in the northern India. A World Resources report from the Washington DC based World Resources Institute labeled in shocking 70% of India's water supply as being seriously polluted. The United Nations also ranked India's water quality at a horrifying 120th amongst 129 nations in the quality of water. The quality of water available from human consumptions 122 second beings of worst. The waterborne disease is depends poor water quality becomes inevitable when water gets polluted with industrial waste, human waste, animal waste, garbage, untreated sewage, chemical effluent, and many other. The drinking or cooking with such polluted water lead of waterborne disease and infections such as amoebiasis, giardiasis, and toxoplasmosis. The contaminated water cold carries viruses such as hepatitis A and E. The bacteria like E. coli, that is, E. coli can be passed from the hand to hand, such as while vendor of the street food or food handled by some carrying. The E. coli bacteria, it can lead to food poisoning. They result dangerous disease like a cholera and typhoid fever. Other waterborne disease include in diarrhea, dysentery, polio, and meningitis. The unique water for washing can cause skin and infections, eye disease such as thrombosis, trachoma, can lead to visual impairment of blindness. The rural populations are more at risk from waterborne illness, but everyone faces risk of polluted to or contaminated water. The waterborne disease illness can affect anyone anywhere. The risk is more for the infants, younger children, the elder, and patients of diabetes, the chronic disease of heart disease, kidney, and etc. The precautions to prevention waterborne disease, that is, ensure the water is visible clean and free from sand and slate, filter the water to get rid to visible dirt, drink only clean and safe water, either portable water or water filtered through to water purifiers. Get water purifying devices like filter, RO, unit, etc. regularly services and maintenance. The insurance storage water in germ phase. Add antiseptic liquids such as Dettol in WCS. Looking bathing water. Hand hygienic regulatory wash hands with soap after retrieving and home after using the toilet. Before and after preparing food, before eating or drinking anything. Teach hand hygienic to children. Children should make it a habit to always wash hand when returning home after playing games. Ensure food is wasted and thoroughly cooked. Use disposable glass and plates whenever possible when eating outside food, particularly street food. Avoid eating straight, cooled, and cooked food. Unforgivable food kept exposed outside from long hours. Takes vaccinations for immunizations against prevention diseases like typhoid, hepatitis A, and polio, etc. So, thank you. This is about all about topics. Thank you.